Hello guys, this is Max from Accolmile, and today I want to talk about how to choose Bafang BBS components which goes inside the kit. First of all, you can order the display you like for your motor. To choose the right display, you can watch our video about displays. Right now, the link will appear in the left corner of your screen. For example, the DPC-18 is the most attractive and brightest. All of the displays give the same full Bafang mid-drive riding experience. All have throttle support and the ability to remove the speed limit. If your kit comes with brake levers with sensors, you simply replace these levels with your existing brake levers and replace the brake cable from the old brake lever with the new e-brake levers. Some new kits may come with sensors for the hydroline lines. E-brake sensors for hydrolines are a little devices that allows you to use your existing brake levers. This solves a common problem if you have hydraulic brakes and different type of shifters. One of the most important things while you are choosing the parts for your kit is how to choose the sprocket. So in the Bafang kit exist 44, 46, 48, 52 tooth sprockets. These sprockets are made from the steel, and for additional payment you can receive 42 aluminum sprockets and also 36 aluminum sprockets. How to choose? For example, if you have 20 each wheel, you probably need to choose 48 or 52 sprocket. If you have usual mountain bike 27.5 inch wheel, probably better to choose 42 or 44 tooth sprockets. Also, like option, you can consider buying special spider and you can use your sprockets from your bike. And the most important thing while you are choosing the sprocket, to choose appropriate sprocket to your bike because of the chain line. So be careful with this, guys. Some throttles don't take a lot of space and give you the option of using standard grips. But like disadvantage, I can admit that for a long distance and long time pushing this throttle, your thumb can be hurt. We ride Bafang BBS almost every day, as well as communicate with many customers of this motor. And therefore, we have collected a lot of feedback and recommendations to improve its program settings. So, to improve this program settings, we need this cable. We make some changes for the motor, and also you can do it by yourself. All these software improvements make it possible, firstly, to save more battery power, hence more kilometers of travel. Secondly, to provide a gentle mode of operation for the bike drivetrain. And thirdly, to make the motor more responsive. So cable connects instead of display, and this side connects to the computer. Our customers often ask us how we can maximize the life of the chain and the chain wheels. One of the main and most important device is the gear shift sensor. It will shut down and start the motor automatically when you shift gears, thus reducing stress on the chain and prevents additional wear on the chain. Sometimes we hear the question, how to avoid the chain drop? We have a 100% solution for you, a chain holder. You adjust it on the frame, cover to the chain, and the problem is solved. Now the chain will not fall off. Also in the kit you can see various front lights and rear lights, easy to install and shines quite pleasantly. We also have special device for connecting the batteries in the one connection, and the one discharge. With this device and two batteries, discharge will be gradual and the power of the batteries will be stable. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe to our channel and see you soon. Bye bye.